Hello students, it's me Kshitija Shirke with our new session Inside Our Heart. Yes, you heard it right. In today's session, we are going to see what is actually inside our heart, how our heart works, and what actually our hearts look like. So, let's begin our today's session Inside Our Hearts. For this, we are going to perform a small experiment. For the experiment, material we required is play dough in different colors, or you can say clay. Yes, that. Chart paper, pencil, paint and brush. Thick straw, scissor and glue. The material we required is Play-Doh in different colors, chart paper, pencil, paints, brush, thick straw, scissor and glue. Let's begin with the procedure. Draw a detailed diagram of the structure of heart. You can refer your book or by internet. Look the detailed diagram and draw it as it is. Now paste a blue Play-Doh or blue clay on the right auricle or atrium. We call it as right atrium and right ventricle. Now paste a red Play-Doh on the left atrium and left ventricle. That is, put the red clay on left atrium and left ventricle. Now cut the thick straw and paste them on the pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta, etc. Now cut the thick straw and paste them on the pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins and aorta. Use appropriate color to paint the other areas such as cardiac muscle region. Here is our model of heart is ready. What we have done is we draw a detailed diagram of structure of heart using the book or internet. Then we put the blue clay on the right parts like right atrium and right ventricle, and then we put the red clay on the left part, left atrium and left ventricle, and then we cut the straw and paste that straw on pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein and aorta. Now, using appropriate color paints, we paint the other areas such as cardiac muscle region. Now, look, this is our heart looks like. Here, Here this is the aorta. Here this is the pulmonary artery. Here pulmonary vein. This is left atrium. This is left ventricle. This is right ventricle. This is right atrium. This one is aorta. This is superior vena cava, and there are some more parts, inferior vena cava, etc. Now our heart looks like this in the real life. This is the open diagram, but our heart looks like this muscular part. This is called as human heart. Now we are going to see what actually happens in the heart. So the right atrium receives oxygen poor blood from the body and pumps it to the right ventricle. Means the oxygen poor blood come from the body part to the right atrium, and That right atrium push that oxygen poor blood to the right ventricle, and further right ventricle pumps that oxygen poor blood to the lungs through the pulmonary valves. Now I will show you here what actually happens in right atrium. From the supravena cava, the oxygen poor blood comes into the right atrium here, and this right atrium passes it to the right ventricle, and this right ventricle pumps it to the pulmonary artery, which takes it to the lungs for purification purpose. So function of right side is right atrium receive oxygen poor blood from the body, pumps it to the right ventricle, and right ventricle pumps the oxygen poor blood to the lungs through the pulmonary valves. Now, the next is the left part. The left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pump it to the left ventricle, and then left ventricle pumps the oxygen-rich blood through aortic valve out of the rest of the body. See here. Let me clear this first. Wait a minute. So let me clear this all. Yes, here we are at the left part. Now, oxygen-rich blood came into the left ventricle, left atrium, and this left atrium puts it into the left ventricle, and this left ventricle passes it into the aorta, and via aorta the oxygen rich blood is given to the all body parts. Let me revise you. For the right part, from the supravena cava, the oxygen poor blood comes in the right atrium. Right atrium push it to the right ventricle. Right ventricle push it to the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery takes it to the lungs for the purification purpose. At the same time, pulmonary veins brings the oxygen rich blood to the left atrium, and left atrium pass it to the left ventricle, and left ventricle pumps it to the aorta, and then the aorta pass it to the body. So this is how heart pumps the blood. Right atrium collects the oxygen poor blood, pass to the right ventricle. Right ventricle pass it to the pulmonary valve, take to the lungs, and at the same time left atrium receives oxygen rich blood from the lungs, pump it to the left ventricle, and left ventricle pumps the oxygen rich blood through aortic valve out for the rest of the body. Now, contradiction, that is systolic action, and expansion, that is diastolic actions, are responsible for sending and collecting blood from the heart. We know that our heart beats, means it contracts and expands, contracts and expands in our body. Because of that contraction and expansion, the sending and collecting of the blood from the heart is done. The rate of contraction and expansion, that is heartbeat may differ basis the different activities we engage in, such as running, walking, sitting. We usually observe that when we do any physical activity, our heartbeat are the raised, means our heartbeat faster than our normal. When we are sitting, our heart beats at the normal rate. But when we are doing such activities like running, walking, swimming, jogging, any kind of exercise, then the rate of our heartbeat is increased. Now, think time for today is, what is the role of cardiac muscle? What is the role of cardiac muscle? Cardiac muscle tissue works to keep our heart pumping through the involuntary movements. Means the pumping of our heart, that is our heartbeat, are due to the cardiac muscle tissue, where it performs coordinated contractions that allow our heart to pump blood through our circulatory system. So, cardiac muscle tissue works to keep our heart pumping through involuntary movements, and it coordinates contraction and expansion that allow our heart to pump the blood through our circulatory system. So, in today's session, inside our heart, we see what is there inside our heart. So, inside our heart, there are four parts: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, and pulmonary veins, pulmonary artery, and aorta. In today's session, we also see how the heart pumps the blood. The contraction and expansion are responsible for sending and collecting blood from the heart. The rate of contraction and expansion, that is heartbeats, may differ when we do the different activities. I hope you understand how the heart works and how it pumps the blood. Thank you so much.